Why is Squirrly SEO the best WordPress SEO plugin for you? You'll use its over 200 tools and features with confidence because you'll be guided. Squirrly SEO assists and guides you inside your WordPress to help you reach search engine success. If you choose any plugin other than Squirrly SEO, you will soon realize that you haven't chosen the proper keywords. Your non-Squirrly SEO plugin doesn't catapult you to that first page of Google search like it promised. You can end up being number 1 on Google for keywords that nobody ever searches for. This means zero search traffic for your site or store. You don't know if you managed to rank your pages. The other plugins won't show you if they help you reach search engine success. You can't manage your strategy. You'll keep creating content blindly while losing focus of your overall strategy. Especially if you have a team of writers, this will go south very fast. You'll never know if the work you've done last week brought an improvement in the quality of your site and content. There's only one SEO tool to help you with all of this: Squirrly SEO. Do you think this WordPress SEO alternative is worth your time? Download it now or read more on this page.